In this video, let's work on organizing and deleting those pesky untitled documents. Oftentimes, our untitled documents are created accidentally, so let's find ways to find them and then organize them. So first, here I am in my Google Drive. I'm going to go up to my search bar up top, and I'm just going to type in Untitled. And what's that going to do? That's going to bring all my untitled documents, spreadsheets, slides to the very top. And what I want to do is go in and look at them. Take a look. Are they something important? Are they something that I can get rid of? So here, for example, these were a narration I was making for a video to better prepare myself. So this is something that I want. So then I'm going to go ahead and title it here. And then I can place it in whatever folder that I prefer. So it does take a little bit of time, but I'm going to go ahead and put this in a folder. I'm going to go to all locations and just start from the beginning. From my drive, I didn't really see what I liked there. And I'm going to close that out. Now that's still going to appear at the top. Let's try one more. So in this one, if it looks like it might just be a date and I abandon this. So what I'm going to do is go to File, and I'm going to move this to the trash. All right, and I'm going to close this out. So I want to show you guys another trick besides going through on all these untitled presentations, something that will save you some time in the future. And that's by going to your drive, and when you want to create a document, a slide, a Google Sheet, whatever it is, create it in the folder where it's going to be saved. So if I go into my coaching folder and I want something, I'm going to make a template for coaches. I want to then create that document right here, and now it's already in that folder. I still have the untitled document problem, but it's already going to be organized. So if I go ahead, the first thing I'm going to do is add my title, and I'm ready to go. And now this document is in this folder and already organized. So that's the trick so that you never have these unorganized documents, slides, presentations ever again.